Hey Justin G.
What's up guys, we are in Poznan for the Poznan Gaming Arena. Happens once a year. If you're not here, you're a square. Get down to Poznan tomorrow or Sunday. Tickets are available at we gotta have some fun. We're gonna go explore the town and see what's what and who's who in the zoo.
What up, Owen?
Yep, that's Owen O'Dog. Follow me on African and Europe back in action. And you thought there wasn't going to be one, but here's another one. Pajama pants, bro.
You got them Canadian calves, bro. What is that, bro? Just
Airbnb, look at that, 1 bedroom, a 1 window, decent TV. All yours for $900 a month. I mean, a night. Look at this shit.
Nice life, Mark.
It's fucking bullshit right here. No jacuzzi.
Is it 908?
That's what I'm putting on the vlog. It's a fucking shit. But to be honest, we are here on a busy weekend. What's up guys? We are in the lovely holy city of Poznan and we are at the annual Poznan Game Arena. It's actually my first time here, so I will bring you guys on the journey with me. So let's go inside and check it out. For all you anime fans, we have the anime section right here. Check it out.
Yep, that is the anime section.
Every teenage boy's wet dream. Tell us about your costumes.
So I'm cosplaying Cele from Honkai Impact.
From what?
Honkai Impact. It's like an anime RPG or something like that.
RPG. So it's like a game.
Yeah.
Alright, and you?
And I'm Len, it's Vocaloid from Miku Squad.
Okay, nice. I thought you were like from, what's that, Dragon Ball Z? I thought you were like super sad.
High five to you.
Android.
And to you.
Thanks.
And see you around. Awesome, have fun. Good fun. Paulina. What's up guys, I'm here with Paulina. She's going to explain to us a little bit about her character. Awesome costume by the way.
Thank you.
So tell the guys a little bit about their dress up.
It's Witch from Elden Ring. Her name is Rani and I really like her design. So I cosplay her.
Awesome. Well, you did a good job.
Thank you.
See you around.
Shorts.
So we are with these crazy looking guys. What's up with the weapons? What's up? Explain yourself.
We are just as Stalker characters from game Stalker, incoming Stalker 2 in Ukraine, Chernobyl. Yeah.
Damn man, you fucking... Hey guys, I'm here with Tomasz from Space Walkers and he's going to tell us about what he's working on.
Yep. So actually we have 3 games here. We have 2 from the series of Interregnum Chronicles. It's a series based on a book and it's about sci-fi stuff basically. Very advanced stuff when it comes to games. And the 3rd game is actually a game, a charity game we made a couple of months ago. With the goal of supporting Ukraine.
Okay, great.
The war in Ukraine is actually about...
Okay, so some of the proceeds does go to help
yeah,
Ukraine.
exactly.
Oh, that's amazing.
And we actually released the game a couple of months ago. You can see the game actually being played here.
And where can we find the game?
It's on Steam.
Okay, on Steam. So yeah, we'll link it in the description.
And its name is Ukraine Defense for Tactics.
Could you tell us a little bit about like development time, development costs?
Yeah, obviously with this, it was very brief when it comes to development time because we needed to hurry up, I guess. And it was actually a couple of months ago, so we weren't even sure if we were going to, you know, make it in time before anything really bad happens in Ukraine.
Did you guys get funding to make the game, or was it?
No, it's completely our initiative when it comes to development, the idea. It was basically our way of developers.
Awesome, that's good to hear. So you guys, you don't always need funding to create awesome games. Just some patience and some hard work, and maybe you can be here too one day with Tomasz.
Yeah, thanks.
Awesome, thanks for your time.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. All the best for the game. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm here with Enish from Gears and Boomerangs. So tell us a little bit about the game.
About the game, so our game is a chaotic cooking game where you're multitasking between cooking stuff for your friends, where kangaroos are trying to steal your drinks, so you need to defend your barbecue. So you have boomerangs, so you just throw boomerangs at kangaroos.
Awesome. I love the title, I'm sure a lot of people know the title. Tell us a little bit about working in VR. I mean, obviously it's a growing industry. What are the kind of obstacles you guys face?
Well, I think the biggest obstacle is that because it's such a new thing, there's a lot of experimental and learning how to do stuff and make stuff intuitive for people that have never tried VR, you know. So there's a lot of experimenting with different types of menus and different types of leaderboards and that sort of thing.
And do you have any advice for indies trying to get into the VR space?
Never give up.
That seems like the theme, yeah, never give up. But I mean, a lot of indies do give up, and that's why they never end up at places like this.
Yeah.
So awesome, thank you for your time, and I wish you guys all the best of success. Where can we find the game?
Yeah, you can find it. We will release it in 1 month on the 10th of November. It will be out for Quest, for Steam, for Pico, for Aichi.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And tell me, were you guys self-funded or did you get funding?
Self-funded.
Awesome, that's the way to do it.
Yeah.
It is possible, guys.
It is.
You don't need funding all the time.
Perfect.
Great, thank you so much for that.
Yeah.
Okay. What's up, guys? I'm with Mihal from your studio.
Jutsu Games.
And tell us about what we have here, Infection-Free Zone.
It's a city builder slash RTS in a post-apocalyptic world where the infected are everywhere. We have to fight against them. During the day we are developing our infection-free zone. It's like a small village or a city town, and at the night when the dark comes, we have to fight against the infection.
Awesome. And are you guys self-funded, or did you receive funding to make the game? Did you receive any funding to make the game, or did you bootstrap everything?
We had a Kickstarter, but we are self-publishing.
Okay. Would you recommend to indie developers starting out to create some Kickstarter, or do you think they can bootstrap it themselves?
I don't know. I'm just a game designer.
Okay, awesome.
Marketing.
And tell us about the development time on the game.
What do you mean exactly?
How long
It's about maybe 2 years.
2 years.
And we supposed to launch it next year in the middle of the year.
Awesome. So be patient, guys. 2 years. And do you have any advice for up and coming indies that want to pursue their passion and turn their passion into a business? One
Yes.
piece of advice for them.
Do your job.
Do your job. Exactly. Don't be lazy, guys.
Here, about
Okay, so it's coming out next year.
middle of the year.
Awesome. So guys, check out your eyes for Infection Free Zone coming next year. We'll keep an eye open for it. I wish you all the best of success. Right?
Thanks.
Cool. Thanks for your time. I love this. Check out this guy.
Machine Gun Kelly, bro.
Yes, that's awesome, man. I love it. Looks like some crazy VR simulation. Yeah. Mario Kart. I'm with Pandora in this amazing outfit, so she's gonna explain to us what the character's about.
Okay, so character's name is Mona Majestus. It's a character from the game Genshin Impact. And yeah, she's a hydro catalyst.
Oh shit.
So smash a like if you like Pandora's outfit.
That's the whole outfit. Good stuff, man. Yeah.
Guys, I'm here with Kid from Future Games, so tell us a little bit about what you're doing.
Yeah, hello. So we are a game dev school and we have 20 years tradition in Sweden, and now we are establishing game dev school next year in September in Warsaw. We will be teaching, our main educations will be game artist, game designer and game programmer. These are 2 years on-site, 100% courses which are the best introduction into game dev career. So
Okay, and tell us if you could give up and coming indie developers one piece of advice to turn their passion into a full-time business, which is everyone's kind of dream. What would that be?
get in touch with the best possible tutors, practitioners, focus on practicing and creating games, actually solving problems on the go with support of the mentors.
So you always do need to find a mentor to help you navigate through everything.
We are totally focused on practical stuff. There is minimum theory really. So we create whole project, game project during 2 years. We have 30 weeks internships in gaming companies.
And how can people get in touch with your school?
Yeah, just go to futuregames.se or find us on Facebook, Future Games Poland, and everything is there. So
awesome, you guys heard it here first. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
And this looks amazing. I'm going to check that out myself. Thank you very much. What's your name?
Catching.
Okay, and tell us about your character here.
Catching is too much. Catching is Electro.
Any superpowers?
No, that's not a studio.
Your superpowers look awesome, man. Like what? Awesome, well you guys look amazing. Hope you enjoy the show. So check it out.
So this is Timo, the hard guy who can, swap bodies with your
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog style edition. Let me know if you did. Smash that like button if you did. Subscribe if you like this type of content, if I should do more videos like this. That's a wrap for today. Stay safe and peace out.